as a percentage, it's important to know, what does percent mean? Percent is a French word, and it literally means per 100. Cent means 100. So if we say something like 25%, that's 25 per 100, or 25 out of 100. Well, now we're going the other way. We're starting with 5 out of 100, or 5 per 100, which is really 5%. So anytime you have a number like this over 100 and you want to convert it to a percent, well, it's technically already there. You just take the 5 down and write it as 5%. This is equivalent to saying it's 5 over 100. So we say 5%. The next two will go pretty quickly. This is just 68%. And of course, this last one is 9%.